In recent years, with the change of the construction machinery industry development, Zoomlion has accelerated the transformation and upgrades to high-end intelligence and greenization. Overall strength, world-leading. Through global operations, Zoomlion has ranked #1 in global tower crane manufacturers list for many consecutive years and is now the global leader in brand value, market share, and sales revenue. The ISO TC96 Secretariat of the International Organization for Standardization Crane Technical Committee settled in Zoomlion since 2012, marking that the leading position of Zoomlion tower crane in international standards has been recognized by the industry. Zoomlion has the world's largest tower crane intelligent factory and 8 manufacture bases around the world, which can guarantee an annual output of 20,000 tower cranes and 10,000 elevators, marking the leading position of Zoomlion tower crane in production capacity and delivery. Technical accumulation, abundant. In 1956, China's first tower crane with independent intellectual property rights was born in Zoomlion. We have been focusing on tower crane design and manufacturing for nearly 70 years. More than 200,000 tower cranes have been delivered, and more than 1.5 million tower crane construction cases are accumulated. With a long history of development and profound technology accumulation, Zoomlion has boosted and witnessed the development and rise of the global tower crane industry. In the application fields of super high-rise buildings, bridges, stadiums, thermal power, hydropower, wind power, etc., we have sufficient solutions for complex and changeable operation environments, such as high temperature, extremely cold, high ocean corrosion, high speed and high frequency hoisting, group tower operations, etc. Our product range is complete. Operation speed of passenger hoist varies from 50 meters per minute to 90 meters per minute. Luffing crane covering 125 ton meter to 3,350 ton meter. Flat top tower crane covering 80 ton meter to 20,000 ton meter, and has been prepared for the technical design and manufacturing preparation for 100,000 ton meter class. Technology level, most advanced. As a leader in the tower crane industry, Zoomlion always adheres to the product concept of high-end intelligent and greenization and leads the industry trend. Through acquisition of German Jost Technology and Wilbert Tower Crane Company, Zoomlion has laid out the development of global cutting-edge technology in advance and has formed a unique tower crane technology style through independent innovation. Our product technology is at the forefront of the world. High-end includes 3 connotations: high security level, high lifespan, high quality. Zoomlion's all-series tower cranes have now achieved all-area safety with anti-overload, anti-impacting, anti-collision, anti-anchor, anti-skid hook, anti-typhoon, and other safety features. Through high-precision machining tower section, electrophoresis coating, and other technology, Zoomlion Tower Crane has the advantage of long lifespan and is leading the development of high-end industry. Zoomlion Tower Crane is also the only manufacturer in China using machining after welding process for fishplate tower section. Level 7 accuracy is guaranteed by using special machine tool, so the main cord and face can fully fit, which completely solved the difficulty of tower pin dismantling and extended the lifespan of fishplate tower section. In terms of intelligence, through remote management and ad hoc network technology, our products can achieve remote debugging, remote security inspection, remote health supervision, etc., making our equipment management more intelligent. In terms of greenization, with the application of modular design, Zoomlion has no more than 4 types of standard mast for medium and small tower crane under 370 ton meter and only 3 models of main cord for large tower crane of over 450 ton meter. Zoomlion realizes the universality of the tower section through mobile counterweight design, ranging from 12,000 ton meter to 20,000 ton meter. Our tower sections are extremely modularized, and the utilization efficiency of customer assets is greatly improved. Service response, rapid. To provide customers with more rapid service response, Zoomlion has established a complete global network of sales and service. At present, Zoomlion has established over 30 subsidiaries, 17 service centers, 10 global factories, and 275 branch offices all over the world. Zoomlion has formed an overseas localized mode of iron triangle formed by sales representatives, technical solution teams, and service engineers, so that we can provide customers with the most rapid and considerable overall product solutions. With the three-level inventory system of overseas branch company warehouse, China harbor base warehouse, and long periodic material inventory, we provide customers with the fastest delivery. Zoomlion all-series tower cranes are highly modularized, and technical style are unified. Through concise training courses of product operation and maintenance, customers can fully comprehend one for all. Zoomlion is always by your side. In the new journey, Zoomlion will promote China's tower crane technology to the world and contribute more to the construction of global infrastructure. Together towards tomorrow, we are full of confidence. In the ever-evolving global market, we will continue to focus on our customers and provide better products and faster services. Through continuous innovation, Zoomlion will bring more surprises to the global tower crane industry and create a brighter future together with you.